Today on TuckerTime, it's marshmallow shooters.
Yes!
All you need is
Marshmallows, toilet paper, and paper towel rolls. Rubber bands, scissors,
a hole punch, and masking tape.
We're gonna make two different kinds of marshmallow shooters, a long one and a short one.
Let's get started. First, cut one of your tubes in half lengthwise. Next, roll it up so it fits inside the other tube. Secure each end with tape. Then reinforce each edge with tape. And repeat with the other tube.
Make sure when you fill your tube, the marshmallow sits on top.
Now grab your hole punch and make some holes on the end of the tube, one on each side.
Too hard.
Do you know? Because it's cheese. Do you know?
Why?
Here,
This angers me.
you hold it for me. There we go. Yay!
Now take your barbecue skewer and stick it in the holes. But you don't need all that barbecue skewer, do you? Measure up so you only have a little on both ends.
Repeat with the other tube.
Why is it so much harder this time?
Hold the paper towel up for me.
Make sure to tape up the cut tube so it doesn't unravel. And now tape both ends of the other tube.
Now you have to cut 2 notches in both sides of the paper towel roll.
Now stick your tubes together and put the skewers through the holes.
Take a rubber band and fit it over the notch on the end.
See how it's right in between those notches? Stretch your rubber band and wrap it around your skewers.
I think you're building it all by yourself.
Tape your ends to secure the rubber bands. It was at this moment that I realized this is going to be good. We're ready to test this thing out.
3, 2, 1. Hold it down.
These are awesome, but I wanted something more powerful. Using the same design, we built one out of PVC PVC pipe, and we used a piece of metal from a coat hanger to secure the rubber bands.
Ready, aim, fire!
Okay, let's see what these really can do. Grab a measuring tape and a target and go outside for some target practice.
No one is as good as Merida, of course.
But I'll give it a try. So not close. Yeah! Yeah! No! Now let's see how far they could go. So we have a 6-foot measuring tape. The marshmallows easily passed 6 feet. How far did they go? The toilet paper shooter went an additional 50 inches, which makes it a total of 10 feet 2 inches. The paper towel shooter went a few inches further, with a total of 10 feet 7 inches. The PVC pipe went even further. It went an additional 6 feet 3 inches. That's a total of 12 feet 3 inches. But then my dog ate it. But it was still awesome.
I hope you liked my video on marshmallow shooters today. How far can your marshmallow go? That's pretty far.
That is pretty far.
And remember, smash that like button, ring the bell, follow me on social media, and subscribe if you like my videos. Bye!
Oh,
Yeah!
Thanks for watching TuckerTime. Don't go just yet. Stick around for the laughs.
Dude,
Oh,
what happened?
and you didn't want to make these with me. Oh, what are you doing to it?
It's gone.
Make new discoveries and learn every day.